Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Over 30,598 new voters were made during this particular period. 15,807 first-time voters have been enlisted in the state. Gender ratio is quite high favorably in Goa. It is 1,055. And COs has informed that 9,804 PWD voters and 30,080 plus age voters and 298 service voters have been mapped. As we brace for the polls, the total number of electors in the state is going to be around 11.56 lakhs as on date. The final figure will be clear when the exercise will be concluded and the roll will be published on 5th of January. 60 new polling stations have been created and with the result that there are 1,722 polling stations in whole of Goa. And as a part of a special initiative to outreach the PWD voters, 491 Divyang Mitras have been appointed amongst Divyang government officials. They will guide them, they will tell them, and they will make all awareness to those persons. That this facility of casting vote at home for 80 plus age is absolutely optional. It is not compulsory. And our officials will be there, it will be videographed, and our concern that a secret ballot will remain as it is. Every voter has got a right to choose the candidate. They should be well informed. What are the credentials of the candidate? Once the nomination will be filed, if they have got a criminal record, that will be published by them in newspaper, in TV, at least 3 times. And this time, even the political parties will have to publish on their website and in the media also that this candidate is having this criminal antecedents, and so that the public should be absolutely informed about the credentials of a candidate. Here, nobody has requested in Goa as such, but in Delhi, we have got representations from various parties to increase the limit, and we had made a committee of under a very senior retired IRS officer, Mr. Harish Kumar also, who took the suggestions of the various political parties, who examined that when the last ceiling limit was put, what has been the inflation rate, how many voters have increased. So they have given their recommendations, and on that recommendations the commission will take a decision, and then we will be able to decide whether any limit is